Hi everybody, Chuck Parsons here from HPC, coming at you live from our testing facility here at our shop. We're getting a lot of calls, especially going into our burn season here, and a lot of new installs as well, as far as how to light up your push button flame sensing or your FPPK unit. Basically operating instructions. So we're going to go through this here real quick. Of course, when you walk up to your fire pit, you will notice this box, of course, that is installed on the side of your enclosure. You will notice that the valve control knob is pointing to the off position. So all we're going to do first is take that knob and point it straight up in the pilot position here. You're going to push that knob in and hold it in. Then hit the igniter button with your other hand. That's going to light the pilot. You can now let go of the igniter button. You'll notice I'm keeping the valve knob pushed in. What we're doing there is giving a few seconds, about 10 to 15 seconds, to allow that thermocouple to warm up. I let go of the knob, and you'll notice that the pilot will stay lit. So right now we've got pilot, but we've got no burner. So in order to get burner, we're just going to push it in a tiny bit, rotate it all the way over. Now we've got burner. That right there is all the way open. And you notice we can adjust this flame from low to high, from basically the pilot position all the way over to main. But again, that gives you some flexibility with your flame height, where you don't get with a lot of units. So we're off and running. Everybody enjoyed the fire. It's now time to shut it down. All we're going to do is come up to the same control valve knob. Going to turn it back to pilot. You'll notice your burner will go out. Pilot stays lit, but we certainly don't want to leave the pilot lit. So push this knob in again a little bit, rotate it all the way to the right to where it says pilot off. Everything's off now. We're ready to put a cover on it, and of course enjoy it next time we use it. If you guys have any questions at all, by all means, my name again is Chuck at HPC. Give us a call. Dying to hear from you.